Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today we have a Birch Box unboxing today. Yay! So this is new to my channel. I've never done a Birch Box unboxing before. The Sephora Play Box they no longer have anymore, so I was looking around on the internet trying to see what other subscription box I can subscribe to replace my Sephora Play Boxes, and I could not decide. It was between Birch Box, Allure, and Glossy Box. Birch Box or Glossy Box? What should I decide? Of course, I ended up subscribing to all three. All three! I couldn't decide. So when you can't decide, so this is my first ever unboxing of Birch Box. So I'm very excited to see what they gave me. It's supposed to be 5 to 6 deluxe size samples. So a lot of people don't like Birch Box because it is sample size, but because I have so much subscription boxes, like I really don't need another mascara, I really don't need another gloss, I really don't need another moisturizer, I really don't need another anything. And as you guys can see from the background, I really don't need I don't need anything, to be honest with you. And this is just one side of my beauty room. You guys don't see the other two sides of my beauty room that has walls of makeup. So I don't need anything, but I'm a makeup junkie. That's why my YouTube name is called Aisha Loves Makeup. I love makeup. So that's why I do these things, because why not? So I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. I'm sure you guys, the struggle is real. The struggle, it's not easy, but you know, this is what I love. It really is my passion. I work in the beauty industry. I've been in this industry for many years, and I wouldn't change it for the world. I want to know the latest trends. I want to know the latest makeup. I want to try everything. So, you know, subscription boxes really are great, because back in the day, they didn't have subscription boxes. I had to buy everything full price. Now I have the luxury of, you know, doing subscription boxes, and come along for my journey to see everything that I get with me. If you hadn't had a chance already to subscribe to my channel, please do so. I'm a new YouTuber on YouTube. It's going to be 2 months. I can't believe it's 2 months already that I've been on YouTube. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed to me so far. It means so much to me. Like, honestly and truly, it really means the world. I appreciate each and every one of you. With that being said, let's see what I got for my Birch Box. So I already took the sides off, as you can see, but I left this one open because I wanted you guys to see the name. Actually, I didn't realize they have it on the back too, so I could have just opened it. But the unboxing. I normally unbox everything prior to, but because I got so much, I didn't get to go through this one. So let's see here. Alright. Okay, well, this was kind of pointless. They put it in a box. Hey, back, I'm not a bill. Hey, look, I'm not a bill. That's funny. It says, hey, look, I'm not a bill. Alright, so this is really strange. They give you a box in a box. Like, why couldn't they just put it all in the box, like how like BoxyCharm and Ipsy and everybody else does? But nevertheless, this is what the box looks like. This is so pretty. So pretty. It's so tiny compared to, like, let me see, hold on. This is a BoxyCharm box, the regular. So actually it's not that much smaller. It is smaller though, but you can see the size comparison. So let's see what I got. But I just feel like this is a waste of a box though. Just a box in a box. So Birch Box, you guys should look into that. Just put everything in this box. We'll be fine with that. We won't complain. But this is cute though. You can keep it kind of like a jewelry box, or like to hold your stuff. But I mean, once you have like 3 or 4 of these, it's gonna start being like too much. But let's see. Aww. So first you get a little card. This is what the card looks like. And then in the back it tells you what you got. So that's that. And then they have beautiful wrapping paper. Or not tissue paper, I'm sorry, not wrapping paper. So that's that. Oh, they got another paper in here. What's this? In honor of, oh, this is just talking about Female Founders Collective. Okay, we'll look at that later. Female Founder Collection, Woman or Power. Yes, we are. So that's that. And then, ooh, how nice. Look at this. And to think I only paid $13. 13 bucks. All right. This is nice. Everybody was like saying like they didn't like Birchbox, but honestly, I like it because honestly, when am I going to use all of my stuff? Like I have so much stuff, I'm never going to be able to finish it. So this is perfect for me. So the first thing I got is a Manica Mini Lip Tint. It is clear. Hold on. Sorry. Ooh, this is pretty. So it's like a little clear lip jelly. All right, the next thing I got, this is a nice one. A Sunday Riley CEO. This is the 15% vitamin C brightening serum. Wow, this is nice. So they are minis, but like for $13, like what do you expect? You know, you're not going to expect anything spectacular. All right, so this is N4 High Performance Hair Care. So I guess this is like before, oh, prep and protect. So I bought 2 different flat irons, one from my FabFitFun add-on and one in my BoxyCharm add-ons because I'm looking for like the perfect flat iron. So hopefully one of the 2 is good. But so this will be good because I'm going to try to be styling my hair soon. The next thing I got is the Orbe Straight Away Smoothing Blowout Cream. So Orbe is a high-end hair care line. Their stuff, they have like $50, $60 conditioner and shampoo. This stuff is really, really good. And this stuff smells like amazing. Ooh. Oh, it smells like literally like perfume. I just got some on my hand. This stuff smells great. All right, so the next thing I got is a GimMe Brow Volumizing Fiber. It's a 1 ounce. And neutral deep brown 4.5. So this is not that bad because I use a 5 in the Precisely My Brow. I use a number 5. So the 4.5 is nice. So keep my brows a little light. Inside the box, it looks like so. And then, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 6 things for 13 bucks. Not bad. And then I get the Aero Nourishing Lip Oil. Now this is, I think this is like the Birchbox brand. Aero, everything Aero is a Birchbox brand. So I've never tried, if you don't use Birchbox, you would probably never try it. But let's see what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything. It's just clear. Doesn't smell, no scent to it. So, overall, I think I'm really happy that I subscribed to Birchbox. For $13, like, honestly, I did good. Like, I got a new lip balm, clear. I got a brow, the GimMe Brow. I got a, setter for my hair, like a little primer. I got a Sunday Riley brightening serum. I got a Orbe, smoothing blowout cream. Oh, my hair's gonna be on fleek on this camera. Got that. And I got my Manica Beauty Mini Lip Tint. 6 ml. So that wasn't that bad. That honestly and truly, that was not that bad. Yay! Oh my goodness. Yay! I got so excited, I'm dropping everything. I am happy. I'm so happy I've subscribed to that. I probably would have never subscribed to it if Sephora Play didn't cancel their subscriptions. But I was looking around and I'm like, what else could I do? Because I usually just have like Ipsy and the epoxy charm, but I'm like, why not? So now I have Birchbox. I have Allure Beauty. Allure, they sent me tracking, so I should get that soon. The Allure Beauty box. And then I haven't heard anything from Glossy Box on my FabFitFun, but the boxes are coming. They're coming. Stay tuned for some more unboxings. So this is always a sad part of my video. It's like I can't see you guys, but like I still get sad when it's time to say goodbye. But I gotta say goodbye, but no, this is not forever. I will see you guys soon in my next video. You guys know I'm consistent, so you know every single week at least I'm gonna post like 3 videos. So I can't tell you when, I don't know when, because I don't know when all my stuff is gonna be coming in, but you will see me soon, I promise. I miss you guys. Thank you guys so much for everyone who's been subscribing to me. Like, you guys don't know how much it means to me. Like, I was like, I'm not gonna start a YouTube. No one's gonna care. No one's gonna like. No one's gonna comment. No one's gonna subscribe. But I mean, you guys, for 2 months, like, I'm doing good. I'm making progress, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys send me a comment on down below, I do answer everyone's comments. I do see when somebody subscribes to me. That makes me feel really good, and I do appreciate the support. And when I do finally hit 100 subscribers, I am giving back. I'm gonna have a huge giveaway because I have so much stuff. I buy so much stuff, and it's like I gotta share it. How can you have stuff and not share it with somebody? Like, you know, what's the point of having something if you can't share? I love to share. I love to give. I'm a Virgo. Virgos are nurturers. We're lovers. We love to give. So I can't wait to give back and show my love and support to you guys. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.